Our next capital letter group is the lines with curves group, and there's 6 capital letters in this group. So you've got D, P, B, R, J and U, and all of these have some kind of straight line or a bit of a straight line and then a curve as well, so they're a bit like our Fisher group for our lowercase. They remind me a little bit of that with the hooks on some of them, or the curves. Okay, let's get started. So capital D, we're going to go straight down and then you're going to go back up to the top and go round. So straight down, back up to the top and round. It's a bit like doing a backwards C, isn't it? So you've got that straight line, push down and around, down, push around. Make sure that the lines touch here, so there's not a gap like there is in that one. That one's not a very good one. Okay, moving on to P, this time we're just using that top part of the line for the curve bit, so it's a smaller version of the D. So we're going to go straight down on the whole line and then just a backwards C, push, curve round on that top part to make a capital P. And a capital P stands on the line, it doesn't go below like in the lowercase. And then B is actually very similar to P, except you've got 2 of these, so you've got the bottom part as well here. So to do that, you do the same as the P, so straight down and then back up to the top. You go round, but keep your pen on the paper. You can then go back out and round again. So when you do the backwards part here, so the push out and then pull back, you're keeping your pencil on the paper. If you need to, make sure you're adjusting your hands so you're holding your pencil properly. Perfect. Okay, so R is a little bit different from the other letters. So we've still got our curve like a P, and then we've got a straight slide down here. So we're going to go down, push round, and then slide down. Down, push round, slide down. Moving on to J, we're going to do this middle section first, so the down with the kind of hook at the end. So down and curve, and then line across the top. Down and line. Lots of us have J's in our name, so this is one that we use quite a lot of the time. And then last but not least, we've got U, and this is quite a nice easy one. So we start at the top, we go down and up, and that's it. Sometimes I know people draw a little stalk like we do for the lowercase, which you can do, but you don't have to do that, okay? So if we're just doing the capital letter, we can just go up like that. If you want to add the little bottom part in with the flick, you can, but you don't have to, because we wouldn't join this capital letter anyway. And again, if I like, I can just make a pattern of those. So I've got D. Makes my head have to think a little bit about which way I write it and how I form the letter correctly. And I'll do it one more time. So D, P, B, remembering to keep my pencil on the paper. I don't need to take it off for that bit. R, same with the R. I don't have to take it off when I do the slide down. And there you go. That is your lines with curves capital letter group.